Hey everyone, this is a stealth mission, a nighttime workout. It's November 1st, and in Ireland, a lot of people, they often like to set personal challenges for themselves in November for self-improvement and also to raise money for charities. And just the other night, I got a message from someone in Ireland asking me would I like to take part in one such physical challenge. It's quite late right now. I had a busy enough day, but because I committed to this, I wanted to get outside and get this workout in. I've already ran 2 miles, I've done 10 chin-ups, and now I'm doing 15 dips, and then afterwards I will do those 50 push-ups. So I think it's always a great idea to set challenges for yourself. Not just any particular month, but November, why not? So maybe you'll set a challenge for yourself. If you're a rather sedentary person, maybe a challenge for you might be walking 1 mile or 2 miles daily. If you're more active, maybe throw in some resistance training, some dips, some push-ups, some squats, some pull-ups. Maybe you'll do something like I'm doing here tonight, or maybe you might even try to push yourself a little bit harder. But nice to set a challenge for yourself and try to do it maybe for the month of November. I often don't like doing the same kind of movements on a daily basis. I like to include some rest, but for a challenge like this, it's nice to do it, and you feel good once you accomplish it. So at home, I have a calendar. When I go home after I complete this workout, I'll put a check mark on November 1st, and I hope to have the whole month full of check marks. All right, a lot more videos coming soon. Thanks. Cheers.